Hello, welcome to More Sound. Today we are reviewing the Realtone AM/FM dual alarm clock radio, model number RT205. It has two alarm clocks, sleep, mode, snooze, basically all the stuff you'd find in an alarm clock, really. We're going to demonstrate the radio function of the alarm clock. As you get the music playing. Switch to aux in and demonstrate that. Yep, it works. Next up, we're going to demo the alarm clock feature. The alarm should come on any second now. Silence works. Hopefully this time it will play music. It should come on any second now. That's the end of the demo for the Realtone AM/FM dual alarm clock radio, model RT205. Thank you for watching this More Sound video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Check out our stores by scanning the QR codes on your screen or clicking the links in the description.